Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bullseye Options. Today is May 25th, 2021. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm going to show you a trade that I just closed out today for a 42% profit. And this was in one trading day. And I'll show you exactly how I went through it and why I took the trade in the first place. But more importantly, how we were able to capture that quick gain. And you're going to see that the stock that we traded was TAL Education Group. This is a Chinese online education company, and the stock yesterday was getting absolutely pounded into the ground. It went all the way down to $35. You're going to see today the stock gapped up this morning, was trading above $39, and we locked in our gain pretty quickly there. What I did yesterday was I bought a call option play on this. And again, the stock was down around 35 bucks. And the reason why I took it had nothing to do with this ugly daily chart downtrend. It really had to do with a much bigger pattern. So if you go over to, say, your weekly, you may not even see it there. But if you go over to, say, a monthly chart, you could actually see it on the weekly as well. But a monthly gives us a little bit of a better insight to the pattern. And you'll see that we had this big, long, multi-month consolidation, and you had a breakout bar. Well, markets love old breakout bars, and when they backtest them, they're usually going to be defended, at least initially. Sometimes they can be defended for long periods of time, so there's even a chance that this is a significant low, but at least initially, we're going to expect some kind of pop from that type of pattern. And you can see this stock fell sharply all the way down, and even pierced the $35 level, came into that wide range bar, where it broke out of this little range over here, and that gave us our pop this morning. Hence, we got a 42% gain in the trade. So not a bad play in short order. And if you take a look here, I just put that trade out yesterday at 1:25 p.m. Here we are at 9:33 in the morning, and we locked in our gains already. And again, a nice profit there, 42.85%. So again, come on over, check out In the Money Stocks, check out my program here, Bullseye Options. I'll have a lot more for you there. And again, very nice trade, and that's how we did it. Have a great trading day, everybody. We'll see you on the charts.